In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, save, and export your Renderforest project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start, keep your work safe, and deliver a polished final file without losing progress along the way. First, make sure you're signed in. If you're new, create a free account. If you already have one, log in. This step is essential because Renderforest ties all your work to your account, which is how your progress is saved and how you'll find your projects later. Once you're in, begin working on what you need, whether that's a video, a logo, or a website. Open the relevant editor, make your customizations, and try out different styles, colors, and layouts. Take your time refining things like text, visuals, and timing so the final result matches your vision. You don't need to worry about constantly pressing save because Renderforest automatically saves your work in the background. That automatic saving is a big help. As you edit, your changes are stored in your My Projects area. If you're working on videos specifically, you may also see them listed under My Videos. If your internet connection is spotty, give it a moment between major edits to ensure the autosave completes, especially before closing your browser. There's one important habit to keep your projects secure. Stay active. Log in at least once every 10 days. If you go longer than that, your projects may be removed due to inactivity. A simple calendar reminder can protect your work and save you from having to rebuild something from scratch. When you're ready to finalize and get your project, head to your dashboard and open My Projects. Find the item you want to deliver. Take a quick preview to confirm everything looks and sounds right. Check visuals, transitions, and audio levels to avoid an unnecessary re-export. Next, choose Export. You'll see options for output quality, such as 720p or 1080p. Pick what fits your needs and budget. Keep in mind that higher resolutions and certain export options may require payment, so select the option that best balances quality with your project requirements. After the export completes, you have several ways to deliver it. You can download the file directly to your device for safekeeping and offline use. You can also generate a shareable link to send to collaborators or clients. If you're publishing, Renderforest lets you share it directly to supported platforms, making distribution fast and consistent. And that's it. Sign in, create, and customize. Rely on autosave, stay active, then export and share. Follow these steps and you'll keep your projects organized, protected, and ready to deliver whenever you are.